How to see deviance on eToro. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how you can see deviance on eToro. So in order to see deviance on eToro, you'll have to follow the steps. First of all, you have to go and log in into your eToro account. Now due to some security concern, the interface won't appear, so I'm just going to instruct you. So make sure to follow the instruction as guided. Then you have to log in. So once you're logged in, you have to navigate to the portfolio section of the eToro platform, and you can usually find this in the main menu or dashboard as well. So within your portfolio, locate the asset for which you want to view deviance. Now this could be stock, EFTs, or another deviant paying asset as well, and you have to go in and click on the asset to view more detail, and you can look for the deviant related information, which may include the deviant yield. And apart from it, you can also click on the asset to view more details, look for the deviant related information, which may include the deviant yield or exchange and all that. Now some platform like eToro may also provide a deviant history for asset, so this will show you past deviant payment and their respective dates if additional resources. And by following the step, you should be able to view your deviant information for asset held in your eToro portfolio. So keeping this in mind that deviant payment are subject to change and may vary depending on the asset and the market condition as well. So that's basically how you can see deviance on eToro. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.